Hello, and welcome to Short Research Tutorials. I'm Paige. I'm going to help you navigate our library. Have you ever struggled with narrowing down your research to find the right sources on your topic? Try Boolean operators, which are basically applying algebraic principles to searching. They are the words or, and not in capital letters, and they work in Primo, most databases, and in search engines like Google. Or is probably the most useful operator, and it tells the search engine that you will take either keyword that you enter in. It's great for using with synonyms or terms that mean similar things, like teenager or adolescent or high school, or effect or impact or influence, and tells the search engine that you need both terms on either side of the and. For example, you could have Bible and parent or mother or father. A search like that means the search engine will have to find the word Bible in the results plus one word from your or selections. Basically, you're looking for sources that mention parenting in the Bible, and narrows down the search to find fewer sources. Every time you add a term, fewer sources match the terms, so fewer sources will come up. Just to note, and is implied in most databases, so it's not always necessary to use, but it is helpful in a complex search with many search terms and parentheses. Not is also useful, and not also narrows down the search to fewer sources. Not is used to exclude unrelated terms, or keep them out of the search. So say you're researching Abraham, and sources keep coming up about Abraham Lincoln. Then you can try searching Abraham, not Lincoln, and the search won't bring up anything with the word Lincoln anymore. You can also make it more complex by searching with more terms and other operators. For example, you could have Abraham or Abram and Bible or Genesis, not Lincoln. You can type all of this into the simple search bar and it will look something like this. But if you prefer, you can always go to advanced search and use these fields. Punctuation is also important when searching. Here are some more useful tricks to try. An asterisk will bring up different word endings. If I search BIBL asterisk, it will bring up Bible, biblical, etc. As well, if I search up HISTOR asterisk, it will bring up history, historical, historic, historicism. This broadens the search and makes sure spelling doesn't keep good results out of your search. Quotation marks keep key phrases together so the search engine finds them together rather than separate. So if you have a common phrase like civil rights or civil war or science of reading or the binding of Isaac, put it in quotation marks to find the phrase all together. Otherwise, it will search only individual words. Alright, that is how you use Boolean operators. Thank you for joining me on this library lesson. If you have any further questions, please reach out to us by email at librarians@regent.edu or by submitting a research question here on this page. Bye!